The Oldsmobile Curved Dash is not just a car, it is the beginning of the automobile age as we know it today. When this vehicle first appeared at the turn of the 20th century, it completely changed how people moved, traveled, and imagined the future. Built in the early 1900s, the Curved Dash holds the legendary title of being the first mass-produced automobile in history, long before assembly lines became common. At a time when cars were rare, expensive, and often handmade, Oldsmobile introduced a vehicle that ordinary people could actually afford and trust. What made the Oldsmobile Curved Dash so revolutionary was its simplicity. The design was clean, practical, and focused on usability rather than luxury. Its most iconic feature was the curved dashboard at the front, which protected the driver from mud, dust, and debris kicked up from the road. This curved panel gave the car its name and became an instantly recognizable design element. The body was lightweight, compact, and perfectly suited for the rough, unpaved roads of early America. Under the hood, the Curved Dash used a single-cylinder gasoline engine that produced around 5 horsepower. That may sound tiny by modern standards, but at the time it was more than enough to move the car smoothly at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. For early drivers, that speed felt incredibly fast and exciting. The engine was reliable, easy to maintain, and far more practical than steam-powered alternatives that were common in that era. The driving experience of the Oldsmobile Curved Dash was very different from what we know today. There was no steering wheel as we recognize it now. Instead, drivers used a tiller-style steering handle, similar to what you might find on a boat. Controls were basic, brakes were mechanical, and comfort was minimal. Yet for its time, the Curved Dash offered freedom. It allowed people to travel without relying on horses, trains, or fixed schedules, opening up a whole new world of independence. One of the most important reasons this car became famous was its production method. Oldsmobile built thousands of Curved Dash cars using standardized parts, which dramatically reduced cost and production time. This approach laid the foundation for modern car manufacturing and directly influenced companies like Ford in the years that followed. By 1904, Oldsmobile had already produced more cars than any other manufacturer in the world, and the Curved Dash was the reason. Visually, the car looks charming and elegant even today. With its white body, thin wheels, high seating position, and open cabin, it reflects a time when automobiles were still closer to horse carriages than modern cars. There were no doors, no roof, and no windshield in early versions, which made driving an adventurous experience. Every ride was directly connected to the environment, the road, and the weather. The Oldsmobile Curved Dash also played a major role in popular culture and automotive history. It proved that cars could be dependable and practical for everyday use. It wasn't just a toy for the rich, it was a machine for the people. Farmers, small business owners, and city workers all began to see automobiles as a realistic option, and that shift changed society forever. Today, surviving examples of the Curved Dash are extremely rare and highly valuable. They are often displayed in museums, private collections, and classic car shows around the world. When one appears at an auction, it can sell for impressive prices, not just because of its age, but because of its historical importance. Owning a Curved Dash is like owning a piece of the moment when the world stepped into the automotive future. Looking at the Oldsmobile Curved Dash today reminds us how far technology has come. From a 5-horsepower single-cylinder engine to modern cars producing hundreds of horsepower, the journey started right here. This car represents innovation, courage, and vision. It symbolizes the moment when human creativity turned an idea into a movement that still drives our world forward. The Oldsmobile Curved Dash is more than an old car. It is the foundation of the automotive industry, the spark that ignited mass production, and the reason cars became a part of everyday life. Every modern vehicle owes a small part of its existence to this simple, elegant, and groundbreaking machine.